Unit 28. Word list. Accompany. To accompany other people means to join them or go with them.
My brothers accompanied me to the movie.
Bare. When something is bare, it is plain. It has no covering.
He likes to walk around in his bare feet.
Branch. A branch is the part of a tree with leaves.
The monkey was hanging from a branch on the tree.
Breath. A breath is the air that goes into and out of one's lungs.
You can't take a breath underwater.
Bridge. A bridge is something that is built over a river so people can cross it.
The old bridge fell into the river.
Cast. To cast something means to throw it.
The fisherman cast his line into the water.
Dare. To dare means to be brave enough to try something.
He dared to jump out of the airplane and skydive.
Electronic. When something is electronic, it uses electricity to do something.
I like having electronic devices such as an MP3 player.
Inn. An inn is a place where travelers can rest and eat.
The visitor got a room at the inn.
Net. A net is a bag made of strong thread. It is used to catch animals.
The boy caught butterflies in his net.
Philosophy. A philosophy is a way to think about truth and life.
My philosophy is live and let live.
Pot. A pot is a deep round metal container used for cooking.
Don't touch the pot on the stove. It's hot.
Seed. A seed is the hard part of a plant or fruit that trees grow from.
I planted the seed in the dirt, hoping that it would grow into a tree.
Sharp. When something is sharp, it has a thin edge that cuts things easily.
That knife is very sharp. Be careful not to hurt yourself.
Sort. A sort of something is a type of it.
What sort of instrument do you want to learn to play?
Subtract. To subtract means to take something away.
We learned how to subtract numbers from each other in class.
Tight. When something is tight, it is fixed or fastened firmly in place.
The knots were too tight to untie.
Virtual. If something is virtual, then it is very close to being true or accurate.
Because he's popular, Joe is the virtual leader of the group.
Weigh. To weigh something means to see how heavy it is.
The little dog weighed exactly 3 kilograms.
Whisper. To whisper means to say very quietly.
We have to whisper in the library so people can focus on reading.